Hello everybody and welcome. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use cinematic bars to reveal your footage or to close down like so, and or to reveal it like something like this. And for that let's jump into Premiere, and it's fairly easy tutorial. Let's just go and I will show you. It's easy, trust me. So we're inside the Premiere, our footage is already imported, so for our effect let's create adjustment layer. Let's drag and drop above our video and search for go to effects tab. Here you should search for crop. Drag and drop this crop effect to your adjustment layer. And from here we need to activate the stopwatches for the top and the bottom part. And let's go, for example, if we want to reveal, so we go here 50% and 50%, so to cover whole screen, and go forward like 3 seconds, I guess, about like so. And let's click this diamonds here to create new keys. And let's go to 13% and 13% here. And let's play back our animation. So as you can see, there is your effect. It's pretty simple and easy to do. And also we can do like the closing effect. Let's go like to the end of the clip. And if we want to create like close-ups, create another keys here and go to the end of your clip and go to 50% for top and the bottom part. And let's play back our animation. So there you go. So this is the reveal and this is the closing animation. So this is it. Sub to the channel and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.